Good morning and happy Friday to you, my friends. And if everyone can please stand up and remember that left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. Oh, okay. Excuse me. Yes, you notice my headband today. Yep, I told you it is close to Christmas time. Mrs. Hara likes bringing in lots of cheer. So today I'm wearing these. I hope you like it. All right, so let's continue. Sorry, left is green and right is red. And which hand goes over your heart? Right hand facing the flag. And let's begin. I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all. All righty, friends, it is now time for our recitation. Oh my gosh, friends, look, here's Jingles. What? Sparky's on the flag? Let me see. Oh, good gosh. Oh, my goodness, you are correct. Look at him. I'm telling you, friends, he is going to be one smart elf by the time he goes back to the North Pole. He's going to teach all of the elves there everything we're learning. Okay, well, we're just going to leave him there, right? And I got to be careful that I don't drop Jingles as I take out my recitation. And remember, friends, the very, very first thing we do with recitation is the title and the author. And your hands are at your sides, in your pockets, or behind your back. And your eyes are on the audience, and the audience's eyes are on you. And remember, we talked about last month, our recitation was a really, really long one. And some friends were kind of speaking like a rabbit. But friends, when you speak like a rabbit, can anyone understand what you're saying? No. So remember, when we are doing a recitation, we have to make sure that we are using a normal voice and that it's projected, right? Because if you do your recitation like this, can we hear you? No, you are sounding like a mouse. So remember, we need a normal voice that everyone can hear you. All right, so let's go ahead and do our recitation. 100 ripples, author unknown. Drop a stone into the water. In a moment, it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Say an unkind word this moment. In a moment, it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. Say a word of cheer and splendor. In a moment, it is gone. But there are 100 ripples circling on and on and on. And don't forget to take your bow. And remember, friends, as I said, we have less than 2 weeks now because today is Friday. So really quickly, let's check and see how many days we have before we have to do recitation. Well, let's see. So we have today, so that's 1. We don't practice on Saturday and Sunday, so that's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So we have 8 more days, and you know what? I think that's a good amount of time because this recitation is short, plus it has almost all the words are the same. All you have to do is just change a couple of the words. So I think it should be good. If you guys were able to memorize The Pilgrims Came In, friends, that was a super duper long one. So if you were able to do that, this one here, you're going to knock it out of the park, right? Now, are you really going to knock it out of the park? That's just an expression, right? Alrighty, friends, so let's go ahead and see who today's student of the day will be. We know that yesterday, our student of the day was, who was our student of the day yesterday? Roy, that was you. Yeah, you are correct. All right, so today, student of the day is Lily Cherry. So if Lily was here, Lily would come on down. Of course, she would turn the clock to morning. And then Lily would write her first and last name. But because Lily isn't here, Mrs. Harlow will write her name. Right? All right, so let's go ahead and write Lily. Lily Cherry. Mrs. Harlow would then give Lily her student of the day sticker. And then finally, Mrs. Harlow would give Lily a pointer and say, young lady, you are on. And Lily would say, this whole thing is called a calendar. And this is called a month. And what month are we in? December. And this here is called the year. And what year are we in? 2020. Now, friends, if yesterday was Thursday, then that means that today is Friday. But let's just double check. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. And how many days are in a week? 7 days in a week. And let's go ahead and recite our months of the year, beginning with January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Very, very good. So, friends, it looks like we have a number day missing. Now, let's go ahead and count and see what it is. 1, 2, 3, 4. And remember yesterday I mentioned that we would find out for sure today if we were going to have an ABC pattern or an ABCD pattern. So let's see what kind of pattern we're going to have. We haven't had this pattern yet, friends. This is the number 4. And what shape is it? It is a circle. So let's see what kind of pattern this is. A, B, C, C. So this is an ABCC pattern. How awesome is that? We've not used that pattern yet. So let's go ahead and help Lily write today's date. Okay, so I need you to help me and Lily with the letters in the month. So we're going to start with a capital D. E, good job. C, E, and and don't forget that monkey tail, friends. B, E, and finally R. D, December. So then I'm going to finger space. And what digit are we writing today? Yep, A4, followed by a comma. Is a comma a number? Nope, it is a space. And then please tell me the digits in the year. 2, 0, 2, 0. All right, so let's go ahead and read today's date together. But before we do that, I want you to notice how I wrote my month, my date, and my year. Look at my uppercase D. You see how it starts at the top, goes all the way down to the bottom. All of my lowercase letters are written underneath that dotted line. My numbers start from the top all the way to the bottom. This is how we should be writing right now, friends. We should have very, very minimal floating letters or numbers. So if you are still struggling with that, I really need you to practice, okay? So here we go. Let's go ahead and read today's date. Today's date is Friday, December 4th, 2020. Now, if yesterday we were here 75 days, what would today be? Well, I don't know. Let's go ahead and draw out Mr. 10 and Mrs. 1s to see what today's date is. Now remember, I'm just going to draw these out. So if you don't tell me when to stop, I'm just going to keep going. All right, so let's start with Mr. 10's. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70. Oh, okay, I will stop. Oh my goodness. All right, so now let's go ahead and draw out Mrs. 1's. 1, 2, 3. Boy, my hand is really full here. Uh-oh. 4, 5, 6. Okay, I will stop. Now, hold on. I have to go pick up that one Mrs. 1's over there. All right, so that our counting is accurate. Let me go grab that. All right. So let's go ahead and graph on our days in school graph how many days we have been in school. So friends, are we going to write anything in our 100s column? How about in Mr. 10's? Well, let's see what we have. What is, hold on. Ooh. What is 6? I have 6 here. What is 6 plus 1? Correct. 7. What is 1 plus 6? 7. What is 0 plus 7? You are correct. 7. Excellent. So let's go ahead and write a number 7 on Mr. 10's column. And let's count how many Mrs. 1's we have today. Look at this, friends. Here is a double stack for you. 3 plus 3 equals 6 kicks. So what would 6 plus 0 be? 6. Excellent. All right, so let's go ahead and write a 6 here. Now, let's go ahead and compare our days in school tag to our days in school graph. Do we have 7 Mr. 10's? Do we have 6 Mrs. 1's? So how many days have we been in school? 76. That is a whole lot of days, my friends. Alrighty, it is now time for coin cup, coin cup, coin cup. And in my coin cup, we have some coins. The very, very first coin we have is this is a penny, and a penny is worth 1 cent. And when we count pennies, we count them by? Correct, by ones. The second coin that we have is this is a dime, and a dime, we count a dime by tens, and a dime is worth? Correct. A dime is worth 10 cents. And which coin are we going to use to count first? We will count the dime first because the dime is worth more. Now remember, I'm going to drop my coins in here. We're going to start with our dimes. When I switch coins, when I switch to the penny, I will show you the penny so that reminds you we have to switch our counting. All right, so here we go. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 52 cents. So let's go ahead and write 52 cents on our coin cup. 52. And then, I better move this coin. 52. All right, now let's compare if what we have on our meeting board, if that matches what's in our coin cup. So let's count. 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 51, 52, 52 cents. Excellent. We match. All right. It is now time for our mystery bag. Dun, dun, dun. So please go ahead and turn on your morning brains and listen to my clues. So today in my mystery bag, I first placed 2 fact cards in my mystery bag. So picture that in your mind. I then placed 8 linking cubes, 8 yellow linking cubes in my mystery bag. So I want you to think of that. I then placed 1 more yellow linking cube. I want to know how many yellow linking cubes are in my mystery bag. So listen to my clues again. So today, in my mystery bag, I first placed 2 fact cards in my mystery bag. I then placed 8 yellow linking cubes. And then I added 1 more yellow linking cube. I want to know how many yellow linking cubes are in my mystery bag. Ariana, how many yellow linking cubes are in my mystery bag? Ariana says 9. Thumbs up if you think Ariana is correct. Let's see. Now, do we need to do anything with our fact card? No, that's just there to trick us. So if I placed 8 yellow linking cubes in my mystery bag, and then I placed 1 more, let's count and see. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Ding, 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 ding. Ariana is correct. Please give her a round of applause. Woo, 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 woo. Great job, young lady. All righty, my friends, let's go ahead and do our counting. So let's go ahead and start with Let's start with fives today. 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40, 45, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80, 85, 90, 95, 100. Excellent. Let's go ahead and do our odd numbers. And remember I told you, odd numbers will always end in 1, 3, 5, 7, or a 9. So here we go. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9, 11, 13, 15, 17, 19, 21. Very, very good. Counting by tens. 0, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80, 90, 100. All righty, cheerleaders, please stand up and make sure you show me that energy, my friends, because we need cheerleaders that have energy. That is the only way they're going to give us encouragement. If we have cheerleaders that have no energy whatsoever, is that going to boost us up? No. So make sure that you are moving around and you are ready. Cheerleaders, ready? Listos? Here we go. And I'll put our twos there so you can see it. So here we go. 2, 4, 6, 8. I did that so I could hear you counting. Who do we appreciate? Make sure you jump for me. Kindergartners, kindergartners. Yay, kindergartners. That was fantastic. And I just love that I could hear you counting. So let's look here really quickly. Whoa. Analog clock. Our analog clock reads 6 o'clock. The red hand is the hour hand, and the blue hand is the minute hand. Now look here, our digital clock reads, look at our digital clock. Our digital clock reads 10 o'clock. So we have to match our analog to our digital. So I am going to move my clock, and I want you to tell me when to stop. Now remember, I'm not going to stop until I hear you say stop. Ah! Okay, I will stop. So let's look here. You guys say that this is 10 o'clock. Well, our red hand is on the 10, okay, and the red hand is the what? The hour hand. The blue hand is on the 12, and the blue hand is the what? Minute hand. So let's compare. Our analog clock reads 10 o'clock, and our digital clock reads 10 o'clock as well. That is fantastic. Friends, today, what is today? Today is Friday. And on Fridays, what happens on Fridays? Today is Friday, and we get to do some songs, correct? All right, so let's see. I'm going to see if a special guest would like to come and join us. Mrs. Strickling, yes. Would you like to come and join us?
Sure.
Here she comes. Come on over. Oh, she's got to get ready, friends. Yeah. She had her jacket on, and because it's cold out, and you start to dance and you get super hot. And Mrs. Strickling, good morning. And look, we are blessed with Sparky.
Sparky's here.
I told my friends that he's going to be the smartest elf in the world.
Yep.
Right?
Yep, for sure.
Right. And guys, don't you just love Mrs. Strickland's earrings? Show them, Mrs. Strickland. Can you see? Ooh, see that? Oh, lovely. All right, so is everybody standing? Okay, and remember, should we be embarrassed? No, we are family, and family doesn't get embarrassed of each other. So let's see what song we are going to play today. Let me see, Mrs. Strickling. What do you think? Think that one?
Sure. Yes.
Or that one.
Oh, what?
Which
both
one
are
do you
good.
We'll let Mrs. Strickling decide.
Oh gosh. Okay, this one.
Ooh. Okay, here we go, friends. Everybody ready? All right, here we go. January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. Mrs. Strickling, how about you turn for me because I get dizzy.
Okay.
March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. All right, friends, we need to hear you. January, February, March, April, great job. July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you turn around. Last one. January, February, March, April, May, July, August, September, October, November, December. Then you sit back down and freeze. All righty, friends. Let's see what our next one will be. Hold on. Oh, not that one. Hold on. All right, friends. So we have a brand new song for you. It's a Christmas one, but it's super easy. And all you have to do is just do the hand gestures that Mrs. Strickland and I are going to do. Okay, everybody ready? Stand up. Come on. You can get your parents to do this with us and your grandmas and your sitters. Okay, so everybody stand up. Here we go.
Boom Chicka Boom Christmas, available in single song download by The Learning Station. This is a repeat after me song, so make sure you repeat everything I say and do.
Repeat everything we say and do.
Merry Christmas, Chicka Boom.
Merry Christmas, Chicka Boom.
Merry Christmas, Chicka Boom.
Merry Christmas, Chicka Boom.
Merry Christmas, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Merry Christmas, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Santa Claus style.
Santa Claus style.
Claus, Chicka Boom.
Santa Claus, Chicka Boom.
Santa Claus, Chicka Boom.
Santa Claus, Chicka Boom.
Santa Claus, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Santa Claus, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Frosty dance style. Frosty dance, Chicka Boom.
Frosty dance, Chicka Boom.
Frosty dance, Chicka Boom.
Frosty dance, Chicka Boom.
Frosty dance, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Frosty dance, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Reindeer dance style. Reindeer dance, Chicka Boom.
Reindeer dance, Chicka Boom.
Reindeer dance, Chicka Boom.
Reindeer dance, Chicka Boom.
Reindeer dance, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Reindeer dance, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Jingle bell style. Jingle bell, Chicka Boom.
Jingle bell, Chicka Boom. Jingle bell, Chicka Boom.
Jingle bell, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Jingle bell, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time.
One more time.
Christmas lights style. Christmas lights, Chicka Boom.
Christmas lights, Chicka Boom.
Christmas lights, Chicka Boom.
Christmas lights, Chicka Boom.
Christmas lights, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Christmas lights, Chicka Rocka, Chicka Boom.
Uh-huh.
Uh-huh.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
One more time. Christmas gift style. Christmas gift.
And we'll stop right there. Give yourselves a round of applause. Woo, 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 woo. That was fantastic. Did you guys like that? You'll have to send us some comments. Otherwise, we won't know if this is what we want to do next week. Okay? Alrighty, friends. We'll see you next week. Have a wonderful weekend. Be good. Listen to your parents. And remember, our friend Sparky is watching. Bye, friends. Say bye, Mrs. Strickland.
Bye.